Source: Nick Sutrich, Android Central. What you need to know. Texting is a big part of how we communicate, which is why it's important to have a messaging app that works for you and the people that you're texting. This is why getting RCS on iMessage has been such a big deal lately. While iMessage and Google Messages are used primarily in the US, it would increase interoperability between two of the biggest OSs and their respective texting apps. And to further the point, we asked what our readers prefer to use as their primary texting app, and out of a whopping 6,300 votes, about 50% were for Google Messages. WhatsApp was unsurprisingly the second most popular, although trailing behind with 16% of votes. Oppo Find X5 Pro leaks, specs, camera, battery, more. Oppo's next flagship phone is coming soon, and it shares a lot in common with the OnePlus 10 Pro. 0 seconds of 59 seconds, volume 0%. Source: Android Central. A lot of comments threw around other texting apps such as TextRef, which seemed to be a popular option among the best text messaging apps, despite its lack of RCS support. And while many comments indicated which single app they preferred, one reader, Right, notes how which app they use depends on who they're talking to. It depends on who I am texting with. My messaging has become segmented. In general, for SMS, MMS, RCS is on Google Messages. If I am on Android and on iPhone, I'll use their default Messages, iMessage app. But I have groups, mostly work on Slack. I have groups on Discord. I have groups on Telegram. I have groups on WhatsApp. I have groups on Facebook Messenger. Another reader also notes how much of a mess it can be when juggling between messaging apps. That also highlights the downfall with apps like Signal and WhatsApp. While they offer great features and make it easy to message friends and family in other countries, they require that the person you're texting uses the same app. That said, until we can all agree on what we want, it looks like we'll be juggling messaging apps for some time. At a glance, the Pixel At a Glance widget just got a few long-awaited features. After teasing some new functions for the At a Glance widget last year, Google is finally rolling out more features on Pixels. Fool me thrice. Potential Pixel Watch launch date hints at Google I/O timeline. Allegedly, the Pixel Watch has been delayed again, this time to spring 2022. But its timing could indicate when the next Google I/O will take place. Power up. OnePlus 10R is launching in Q2 2022 with MediaTek's Dimensity 9000. OnePlus is all set to launch a phone with the MediaTek Dimensity 9000. The OnePlus 10R is going to launch in Q2 2022 with MediaTek's flagship chipset, and it will be coming to India and China. WHO needs a wallet. Put your wallet away and pay with your Wear OS watch instead. Ready to start paying for your coffee with only your smartwatch? Here are all the Wear OS watches that support Google Pay.